Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're at another custom bathroom remodel job. And if you had seen this before, there was a window that was in there. The shower stall was, believe it or not, back over here in this corner. This was cabinetry. This whole thing's been reconfigured. That's a walk-in closet. And essentially what we've done is we've kind of rejiggered the whole inside, created, there used to be a jacuzzi tub over here, a beautiful, huge walk-in shower that's curbless. So the tile is going to continue here, and you can see the drain in the back, and there's actually a slope. You really can't see it, but the water will drain back there. And then in this particular instance, there's going to be not a shower door, just a wall of glass that comes to right about here. And this would be open all the time, and the shower head is over there. So you get rid of a hinge door, which is really, really nice. And if you have a wide enough opening, you can do this. Another couple of things to be aware of. There's a built-in bench. There's going to be a wand over there. That is where the shower head, a rain shower head, will be. And this is going to be a dual position shower valve over here. And you'll be able to either switch to the wand or to the shower head. This is interesting. This is a design with basically subway tile design, but in a vertical format. And you can look at some interesting color variations. This is more of a white and an off-white, white and an off-white, but then you've got kind of these light grays in here for this area. So there's actually two different subway tiles back in here. And this tile here has got kind of a bluish black in it. There's kind of a grayish blue vanity that's going in here. And you can see we've got a little hanging kind of pendant light fixture over here. We've got separate lights in the shower. We've got recessed lights all over the place over here. And let's see if there's anything else here. We've got a pretty interesting shower fan over here. This has got a fancy control. This is actually an Alexa enabled Bluetooth fan, and just because I said the word Alexa, you saw the lights come on up there waiting for a command, so I can have it do things like, okay, good night, Alexa. Anyway, you can actually play music through that. You can turn the fan on, turn the light on and off, all sorts of other interesting things. Then over here, you can see we have a dual sink vanity going in, and there's a separate mirror over each sink, and separate vanity light over each sink with their own individual controls over here. So you can individually control those. And that, you want to push that switch, Steve? So that goes on and off. So you can have a frame like that. That's pretty nice. And that seems to be the style, people going to individual mirrors over the vanity sinks. We also have plugs that have USB connectors built in. We pretty much put those in wherever we're putting in outlets these days, so people have more places to charge things. And this orange mat you see, by the way, we do this in all of our bathrooms as a standard procedure. We go ahead and put in a waterproofing system that goes down, and it's also what's called a decoupling mat for tile. It's pretty much the most robust and professional way that you can do a tile installation. A lot of people don't do it because of the added time and the cost, but this is the best way to do it. We use nothing but the Schluter waterproofing system. So this orange stuff, if you will, is all behind the tile up the walls. This niche that's built in is a Schluter niche. We use their entire system because it's all professional, commercial grade, and it's got a very, very long-term warranty, and pretty much nobody will ever have a problem with it. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. If you need a beautiful custom bathroom, give us a call. We do these. By the way, we had to notch the floor joist. We have pictures of that in here in order to drop down the shower pan that's underneath this. in order to get the slope, but it can be done in pretty much most instances. Anyway, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another beautiful custom shower or bathroom remodel. Give us a call. We do full interior remodels, kitchens, bathrooms. We do exterior work, dry rot, structural repairs, decks, waterproof decks. Anyway, you can check us out at bayareacontractor.com, and look forward to hearing from you. And we'll look forward to giving you an update on this completed bathroom when it's done. Thank you very much. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises.